In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize complex diagrams in Draw.io for Confluence and Jira using layers and connectors. When you're working on larger diagrams, things can quickly become cluttered and hard to follow. That's where layers and connectors really shine. They help you keep related elements grouped, control what's visible at any given time, and make sure everything stays readable and easy to maintain. Let's start with connectors, because they're at the heart of how your diagram elements relate to each other. In Draw.io, when you select a shape and move your mouse near its edge, you'll often see small blue arrows appear. These blue arrows are auto-connect handles. If you click one of them and drag, Draw.io will automatically create a connector and, if needed, a new shape for you. This is much faster than manually adding a shape and then drawing a line between them. You can speed this up even more with a handy keyboard shortcut, Alt plus Shift plus the right arrow key. With a shape selected, pressing this combination will automatically add a new shape to the right and connect it to the original one. This is especially useful when you're building out a sequence of steps, like a flow in a process diagram. You can repeat the shortcut to quickly extend your diagram in a consistent direction without breaking your focus to search for tools. Now let's look at layers, which are crucial for keeping complex diagrams under control. Think of layers like transparent sheets stacked on top of each other. Each sheet holds specific parts of your diagram, such as annotations, background references, or alternative versions of a process. Open the Layers panel in Draw.io, and you'll see a list of all your layers. From here, you can hide or show individual layers to control what appears in your diagram. Hiding a layer is perfect when you want to focus on the main flow without distractions like notes or optional paths. You can also lock layers. Locking prevents accidental changes to shapes on that layer, which is especially helpful for background grids, logos, or finalized sections that you don't want to move by mistake. Finally, you can reorder layers in the panel. Moving a layer up or down changes how shapes overlap visually. This lets you keep important elements on top and supporting details behind, improving clarity. By combining these connector techniques with thoughtful use of layers, you'll be able to build diagrams in Draw.io for Confluence and Jira that are not only powerful, but also clean, organized, and easy to understand.